Hey, what's up, people? Let's keep going with my trading signals for gold. Today is the 18th of September, so we got basically a red day for gold. Okay, the gold market crashed today. Or wait, actually, it's kind of in range right now. Yeah, it's kind of in range, very volatile. We got a powerful pump around the first hours, only to go back down with force right after. So it was a very volatile day. Let's go back to the predictions that I had for gold. So this day was specifically on the green, so I was expecting an uptrend. Right now, like I told you, it's on range, but if this can keep going up in the coming hours, which is possible because my model is actually predicting correction, uptrends right now, starting from the last 2 hours, basically. So we got the strong possibility of going higher in the next final hours of the day, at least in my time zone. It might be already the 19th of September to some of you, which I don't really care. So let's just continue and see what went on with the 17th of September as well. So for that day, we got a strong correction first, then a rebound going up, then a massive correction right after, a small rebound, and basically corrects all the way down here. So we got a red day around 0.80% loss. Let's see, go back again. The 17 was a red day as well. So we got that one right. Also, a special volatility for the 16 or the 17. So let's see which one of the 2 days was more volatile. I believe it was the 17. Yeah, the 16 was kind of in range. Let's try to measure this. So around the last hours, right there. So it was also a correction day, but not so volatile as the other one. So both. Why is it not showing up? I always have this problem with this stuff. It kind of freezes. Like, look at this. Anyways, we got red days 16, 17. Both of these 2 days completely red for the markets. 18 in range. We'll have to see if this can keep going up and basically end in green. And the 19 is especially very volatile from what I can see. Okay, so don't really have a clear trend for that day. We can maybe see something very much like today, in the sense that we get very strong pumps and very strong corrections in the same day. Okay, if we go to an even larger time frame, we can see at least on 4 hours the uptrend has not been really triggered yet, so we are still technically in a correction trend. We go even further in a time scale, we'll see that still on the 12-hour time frame we don't have any indicator or any signal that indicates a bullish trend right now. And if we go to the daily time frame, we can see the same thing. So whatever happens tomorrow, at least on the, let's see, yeah, at least on the 1 hour time frame, and maybe others like, I don't know, 2 hours, something like that, we can see the price pump a little bit more. But especially for the next day, I believe it's going to be kind of a day in range. Okay, the larger time frames all agree that we are still in a correction trend, and right now the wick is basically it went back to the initial position right there after the pumps that we saw on the 15 and a large portion of the 14th of September as well. So was kind of also in range right now. So very, very crazy. The weekly prediction that I told you for this week was going to be possibly green. That means an uptrend. But also notice, like I told you, the outline is in yellow. That means it was possibly it had the potential of being a week in range. That's exactly what we are seeing right now. So what we can maybe see and expect is that it's going to basically end up in range this week. and it will only be basically, I don't know, let's say maybe it's likely on the uptrend, very likely. It's not going to be a full bullish week, and I'm not so sure about the next one either. But maybe there could be some hope. Maybe we have to see what goes on with that then. But yeah, guys, I have basically told you everything that you need to know already for the best signals, for the best trading signals. Uh, Follow the other work, follow my crypto signals as well, follow my sports predictions if you want to, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.